और जनाब तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. And nowadays you all might have seen this talking AI generated reels on social media that are racking millions of views. And you might think they are too difficult to make, but no, they are very easy to make, but it has a huge earning potential. So in today's video, we are going to learn the same, that how to create these kind of AI generated videos. And stick to the end of the video because there is a lot of valuable information that you might not find somewhere else. So let's start the video. So the first AI tool that we are going to use is Leonardo AI, and you need to sign up for an account if you have not already created an account. After successfully creating the account, you need to click on AI image generation. So let's start by choosing 4 images per generation and we'll choose the model that is Dream Shaper V7. There are a lot of models that you can choose from, but I have selected Dream Shaper V7 because it creates this realistic art form with a slight touch of digital art. The dimension for this model is 640 into 832. So you have to manually adjust the sliders for width and the height. So my prompt would be a detailed photograph of a serious looking Chinese monk looking directly at the camera, standing straight, hands relaxed, square jaws, masculine face, wrinkles, buff looking, wearing a muted burnt orange kasaya, detailed clothing texture, realistic skin texture, black hair, black background, sharp focus, front view, waist up shot, high contrast, strong backlighting, action film, dark colored lute, and cinematic lutes. Also, now we need to add the negative prompt, that what we don't want. After writing the prompt, just click on generate and wait for it to run. Don't worry, you might need 7 to 8 trials to generate the right image for you. But once you have created the image, you can move ahead in the video. And make sure to pick a front view pose instead of a 3/4 angle so that our animation will look seamless. So I'm going to select this portrait. Yeah, I have found this one. This is the right what I am looking for. We have chosen this image, but I believe that we can make this image more better, and for that we are going to use Canva. But before going to Canva, we need to remove the background, and that can be done just using a click, and that is now we have done the remove background. And now go to Canva and click on create a new design. On custom size and write the size 640 into 832. After that, click on create new design and upload the image to the Canva that you had just generated. After that, go to the elements and search for a black background. Right click on the black background and click on send to back and resize it according to the image. And now to give the image a real dramatic lighting, we need to go on edit photo and click on effects and choose this filter called Tundra and reduce its intensity to make it more realistic. And to make our image look more high quality and crisp, click on the adjust tab and increase the brightness, contrast and the sharpness. Let's also increase the highlights a bit. I believe that our image looks really better now. And now once you have edited the image, just click on download and move on to the next step, and that is writing a script that can be used and which has the potential of getting viral. To see that, just go on social media platform and see what kind of topics are getting the real attention. Copy the keywords and get a script generated from either ChatGPT or from Google Bard. It work equally well. For the voiceover part, we are going to use 11 Labs. Go to the voiceover library and in the category select male, middle-aged, American, and now go all the way to the bottom and click on the voice, mark raspy and deep narrator. Add this to your voice lab and now go to the voice lab and choose this voice and paste your script that you had generated from ChatGPT or Google Bard, it's your option, and then click on generate. Now download this generated voiceover. If you are still here in this video, I believe that you are liking this video and you are genuinely interested in learning AI. And if you want to learn more about AI, ChatGPT or MS Office with AI and ChatGPT, you can attend our masterclass that is just available for 9 rupees, and the link is in the description. And this masterclass is really amazing because it is taught by 2 alumni of IIT Kharagpur. And I believe that this masterclass will really help you to learn more about AI, ChatGPT and MS Office with AI and ChatGPT. So the link is in the description and you can enroll just for 9 rupees. Let's continue the video. After generating the voiceover, head over to the DID and sign up for an account. After successfully creating the account, click on create video and add your image as an AI presenter. And then go to the audio tab and upload the voiceover that you had just generated. And now just click on generate and wait for the process to get completed. And the last AI tool that we need to use is Simplified, which will be used to add subtitles to our video and to complete our video. Simplified is also a paid platform, but it also has a free version in which you have subtitles up to 30 minutes, along with many other features. After you have signed up, it will ask you to create a workspace and there it will ask you to select any one of the options. Click on get started for free and you will be taken to your workspace. Now just simply click on add subtitles to your video, upload your file over here and click on generate subtitles. And click on the three dots and select resize. And just click on YouTube Shorts and adjust the video according to the aspect ratio. I am just doing a little bit of changes because I want these numbers in the numeric form and I am just doing the same. After that, we can select a subtitle style and I am liking this focus style, so I'll select that one. So I'm not going to select blue, so I'll change the color to more like yellow. Yes, let's take yellow. And after that, all that is left for you is to export this video. And here is the final result.
Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Number 2, be kind. It costs nothing to be nice. Number 3, never give up. Keep going, no matter what. Number 4, learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes them, so don't beat yourself up about it. Number 5, live in the moment. Don't dwell on the past or worry about the future.
So guys, that is it for this video and I hope that you have learned something from this video, and I believe that you would be also creating your own stories and your own avatars and posting on social media and getting millions of views. So thanks for watching this video, and if you love this video, don't forget to leave a like on the video, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And don't forget that you can attend a masterclass in just 9 rupees, for which the link is in the description. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.